it's part of our life for 20 more years. So I'm happy to live here. I see all the changes. I'm still like to live here. Like many foreigners, when you come to China, when you come to Beijing, you go to the hutongs. And I fell, and my wife also, we fell immediately in love with the hutong. We live very close to the axis, and all the things happening in our life were also happening along the axis. So for us it was definitely an integral part of our life. We lived always here. My children went to school here. One of my sons, he was a ballet dancer. At least once a week I took my son on my bike, and we biked through the city along the axis to the south, to Tianqiao Theater, that area. So more or less for us the axis was a kind of also an axis of our activity. My background is an environmental planner, a landscape architect, and the interesting thing of the axis is that the axis is more or less a reflection of a philosophy of the Chinese to taking care of natural elements and the built environment. For the process of application for UNESCO, I was one of the persons invited because they knew that also a foreigner was living next to the axis. I am a supervisor of the central axis, so it's really a big honor. I better should be translated in being an ambassador, a promoter to the outside world of the axis, and stimulate people when you're in China, when you're in Beijing, go there. Look for yourself, and there's wonderful information, by the way, about this axis. And then you don't read only about the planning of the city, the axis of the new development of Beijing, but you also read about the Chinese civilization over thousands of years. And I think that would be the message I would help bring around the world.